In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if Instagram keeps logging you out and how to find where is a problem. So probably the problem may be in Instagram servers, and let me show you how to make sure that it really is. So open up your Safari browser and here in search bar type in Instagram down and hit on that link to open up a website called downdetector.com, and there is Instagram page on that site, and here right there at the very top we see current status of Instagram reports on that site, and it says that user reports indicate no current problems at Instagram. There also you can see Instagram outages reports in the last 24 hours. It shows how it was changed since 24 hours, and also there you can report a problem with app, login or website. So if you got login problems, you can hit there on login, hit allow, and your report was submitted to that site. So on that website you can make sure if Instagram has or not some problems with servers. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button if it helped you, and don't forget to subscribe.